Okay, good morning and welcome once again. It's Friday morning. It is the Chicken Liz workout. Wondering why I'm sweaty? Because I've been doing this 20 times now and I keep making bloopers and making little swearies. And that's not good because I've got to keep it clean because there's kids watching. Sorry. Okay. Right, anyway, this week, it's what? Oh, go mad. Anyway, it's Friday. This one's for Claire. It's the Agadoo. So picture yourself on a tropical island. Sun beating down like this. Bit like at the moment in August, you know, maybe. And drinking cocktails, enjoying the sunshine, tropical shirt on like this, Hawaiian shirt, maybe, depending on your taste. And you're going to be doing this Agadoo on the beach, maybe. Maybe not. Or just in your living room like I am. See? Not really Hawaiian-y or anything like that, just the shirt. Okay, put your fingers in the air, point to me, go chicken legs, get on with it, press the button, here we go. Agadoo, tropical stylish. Are you ready? Here we go. Here we go, okay. If we can find, see? Here we go. Here we go, we're going to start off clapping your hands to this. It's the Agadoo. Here we go, get ready. Do a little bounce along with me. Have fun, let's go. Yes, unfortunately it is. Shimmy the best you can. No, I may be rubbish. Here we go, that one. Proper shimmies now, proper shimmies. You're home, ready? Here we go. Fish in the sky, ready? You're the back. What am I doing? To the left, to the right. One more time, I think. So you have it, Agadoo. Whoa. Okay, that was Agadoo, especially for Claire. Okay, time to grab yourself a drink because it's very thirsty doing this to work out in the morning. Here we go. Cheers, everybody. Here's water. See? Just water. Are you ready for one more? I can't hear you. Are you ready for one more? Shout at the screen. Shout at the screen. Here we go. Are you ready for one more? Yes, you are. Okay. So, this one is especially for Kay, who requested it right at the beginning of me doing all this stuff. And it was called the Woolican Wobble, which is otherwise known as the Clap Clap Sound by the Klaxons. Now, I managed to find it on YouTube, the actual recording, This is predating me, this party dance. Because I originally done this in 1996 when I first started at that certain holiday park that I can't talk about. In case I get sued. Okay? Got it? Right. Are you ready at the back? You at the back? Yeah. Oh, he's ready. Okay. Here we go then. I've got to make sure I queued it up. Hang on a minute. Okay. Okay, fingers in the air then. It's ready. It's set. It's a bit difficult when you're on your own. You haven't got the person in the DJ box they can point to go, press that button. So put your fingers in the air, point to me, goes, chicken eggs, press that button. I can't hear you. Go for it. Excellent job. Here we go. Okay, I forgot. You don't know it, do you, some of you? So what you got to do for this one is basically clap in front like this. Clap under your leg like that. Then clap behind. And then do a little woo like that, okay? Easy. And then there's a little Macarena bit, which is easy. You all know the Macarena, don't you? Which I'll be doing, not just yet, but later on during the time we do this, okay? Good. Right. Okay then. Got it? During the song, I might say we're going to do it backwards. So you got to basically do it all different. So basically you got to start with clapping behind, then clap under your leg, and then clap in front. Then do the woo. Easy? Alright? Got it? Okay. Fingers in the air, point to me, go chicken eggs, go on with it. Okay. As usual, start by bouncing. Woo-hoo. Woo. 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 Macarena bit, ready? Hips, jump. Hips, and a spin. Are you ready? We're going to do clapping again. Normal version first. Ready? Bouncing. Woo! 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 Macarena bit, ready? Okay, this time I'm going to do it backwards. So clap back, onto the leg, front, then the woo. Okay, ready? Macarena time. Here we go. Woo, backwards. Woo. 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 Macarena time for the last time, I think. Okay, so that was the Woolican Wobble, especially for you and Kay. Well done, Kay, for requesting that one. It's a long time. Okay, hang on. Okay, next up today, one more. Just one more. Are you feeling up for it? Can I hear you? Are you feeling up for this? Shout at me. Shout at me. Shout at me. I can't hear you. You at the back. You at the back. I can't hear you. So what we're going to do, I'm going to take you over here a minute because I've got to play with the computer that I'm playing the music off, you see. So how you doing? Let's do shouts out to people, shall we? So hello Jenny. Hello Kay. Hello Claire. Hello Kit Kat. Hello Cherry. Hello everybody. Hello my new friends, Holly, Mel, Hope, Andrea, Big Rich, hello. Okay, I've got to find this song now. It's really difficult because you're trying to talk at the same time. And I should have really queued this up. Well, I did. And then I shut it down after the Agadoo, which is not really a good thing because it's going to take me ages now. Okay, I think I'm there. Okay. As you can hear, this is going to be... We're going to take it down into space now. I'm going back over here. Let's come back over here. You right? You right? Everyone all right? I'm sorry I had to meet you. Big hello to everyone else. Lots of requests. Keith, hello. Janny, hello. Everybody, hello. If I've forgotten you, don't worry. I'll remember you eventually. I'll read through the list at some point. Just say thank you to everyone. The support's been brilliant so far. Anyway, we're going to take you deep down into space to party dance space now. We're going to join on board the Starship Enterprise with Captain Kirk. Oh, look, I've got tears, wet tears. What is that? Anyway, take James T. Kirk's ship, and we're going to be doing Star Trekking on the Starship Enterprise with Captain Kirk. Are you ready? Watch me. This is my version, not anyone else's. I'm having none of that. It's my version, alright? Well, the version I know, anyway. There's lots of different versions. We're doing this one, alright? Whatever trouble. Okay, we go. Start by marching like this. Slowly go forward because we can't find reverse. First of all, Uhura, or whatever her name is, we're going to do Klingons. Ready? Here we go. Marching again. Who are we going to meet this time? Mr. Spock is...
Like him, but not as we know it. Not as we know it. Not as we know it. It's like him, but not as we know it. Not as we know it.
Klingons! And the Starship Enterprise under Captain Kirk. Going forward, we can't reverse. Dr. McCoy, what's he got to say?
It's worse than that, he dead you. It's worse than that, he dead you.
It's like him, but not as we know it. Not as we know it. Not as we know it. It's like him, but not as we know it. Not as we know it.
Klingons! James T. Curtis, time the cat's here. What's he got to say?
We come in peace, shoot to kill, shoot to kill, shoot to kill. We come in peace, shoot to kill, man.
It's worse than that, he dead you. It's worse than that, he dead you.
Well, it's like him, but not as we know it. Not as we know it. Not as we know it. It's like him, but not as we know it. Not as we know it.
Klingons! Okay, we're going to go to the engine room now to meet Mr. Scott.
It's worse than that, he dead you. It's worse than that, he dead you.
Well, it's like him, but not as we know it. Not as we know it. Not as we know it. It's like him, but not as we know it. Not as we know it, Captain.
So this way it goes a bit crazy and everything goes a bit like Star Trek Explosion Time. I've got my t-shirt on back front. It's all in a bit slow-mo now. So there you go, that was Star Trek in a special view. So that's Friday's chicken legs workout. It's taking you right through to the weekend, so you got 2 extra ones because I'm not going to be around to do them Saturday and Sunday, so that's just for you, especially to take you through the weekend, okay? Enjoy your weekend, have fun, and I'll see you. Next one should be Tuesday. Stay tuned. See you later. Thanks for everything. Bye!